If you want to take your exam early and you don't see it on the left-hand side of the screen, what you want to do is you want to go up here to the top left corner, go to Assignments. On this page, it'll list all of the exams. It'll list the 25% Go test, the 50% Go test, the 75% Go test, and the exit test. In order, this is test 1, test 2, test 3, and test 4. So if you want to take your first test, you would just click on 25% Go test. Notice that it gives you the due date right here, February the 9th for this particular class. So you click on this, and the program will automatically notify you about what you're allowed to do. For this class, you're only allowed to have pencil and paper during the test. No calculators, no external help. In order to actually start the test, you need to make sure you have the lockdown browser installed. So if this is your first time looking at this, then you would go ahead and click Download Lockdown Browser. It'll open up this page. And on this page, you should see a download section where it lists Windows, Mac, and iPad app. So you're going to click on whatever device you're using. In this case, I'm using Windows. And it'll automatically start downloading the lockdown browser. So you need to wait for that to finish before you can actually start your test. And when it's done, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Once you run the program, it'll install the application onto whatever device you're using. Once it's done installing, most likely it will not start up on its own. But at this point, I don't need to do anything on my computer. I downloaded the lockdown browser. I installed it. The only thing I need to do is go back to this Alex tab that I had opened and click on Launch Lockdown Browser plus Webcam. When you do that, Chrome might ask you for permission, and all you need to do is click on Open Lockdown Browser. Click on Yes, and it should start up the browser for you. So as you just saw, it said that I had an error. But there was a pop-up warning on my screen that you probably couldn't have seen. And all I had to do was click on yes or allow, and it opened up the lockdown browser and allowed me to continue with the actual test. So if you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me. Otherwise, you should be able to access whatever test that you want to work on from here on out, now that you have the lockdown browser installed.